Hello friends, today we are going to see a day in birder's life. Early in the morning, we have to get ready before the sun actually rises and carry your 15 kg equipment. And you are rewarded also with beautiful peasants early in the morning. But the luck wears off and you are soon getting bored. Suddenly, there is a woodpecker which is calling you. It is continuously hammering on the wood, searching for the right spot, and there it goes. And then it is afternoon, evening comes by. You are back to your quarters and ready to enjoy the evening.